Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jordan with Unique Pro Media here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video demonstration tutorial for those of you who are just starting out in your digital marketing agency journey. This video will speak directly to those of you who are looking for a low cost or even free way to address the client agreement situation. I will give you a solution to that problem, and it's professional, and it's very clean, and it works really, really well, and it's free. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm excited to give you this video. All right, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you a service called Signaturely, and this would be a competitor to the DocuSigns, the Dot Loops, all of the web-based document signing web-based applications that exist out there. There's a whole host of them. This is one that I found in the beginning of my agency journey. It was recommended to me, and partly because Signaturely actually provides a very nice template for marketers to use so they can begin selling and reselling their own digital products and services. And it just allows you to hit the ground running. And with a free account, you can actually send out 3 agreements per month at no cost. So this is a great way to make yourself look really professional and like you really have, you're together. So I like this solution. It's, for free. If you're onboarding like 3 clients a month, I mean, that's a great cadence. And to be able to do this for free, I really, can hang my hat on this solution. There are different subscription levels available. We'll take a look here at the at what you get. So in the free column here, so you can send out 3 requests per month. Now you're not able to upload any sort of templates, so you will actually have to import your PDF document. You'll have to create your agreement per client in, say, Google Docs, and that's the way we're going to be doing this today. And then you just upload that, and you leave your signature, you leave your signature lines blank, and then you just tell it to, we have to sign signature date. So we'll walk through all that. But if you get into a personal account, now you can send. So there's a huge difference here, and I feel like this really brings a lot of value. For $16 a month, as your agency starts to go out of the launch phase and into the growth phase, now you're able to send unlimited signature requests, which is amazing, for 16 bucks. So if you are onboarding more than 3 clients every month, now your overhead cost to onboard those clients as it pertains to contracts would only be $16. And that's, I mean, the return on investment that you're making on top of this, I think, is quite large. So you do get to have one template in here. So you could take your marketing agreement that I'm going to show you, use that as a template, and then you could just plug in all the information that will increase your efficiency by a huge amount. Okay, but for today, we're going to be focusing just on this section and how you can do this all for free. In the business side, obviously, having unlimited requests and unlimited templates really helps. So, as the business needs grow, then you can start to have, or you can build in templates that are specific to certain products and services. And this is really where you're reaching into the scale phase. So for today, we're going to focus on free, and let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's see. So what I'm going to show you here, this is the template. Okay. So I'm going to link this. I'll place this URL in the comments below, and you can go right to this link. You can download this marketing agreement. Okay. It's very well templated out. I will tell you that I am not I'm not giving legal advice on this call by any means, and it can't be taken that way. So please do take this agreement and take it to your attorney, whoever that is, it's local or whoever it is, and have them go through it and make sure that it is exactly the way it needs to be for you. So get them to bless it and make sure that you are protected and that you're in compliance with state regulations and all that. Okay. So, but this is a great starting place, and it's free. So gotta love that. So go ahead and get yourself this template and then bring it into Google Docs. Okay. So this is how I move through this agreement. This is just a sample here, but essentially once you have this done, all you have to do is just come in here and change the client information. Your information will be saved in here, and you can template this out for however it makes it easy for you. What I did was I got rid of those lines. where it says the services are provided, and I actually just bring in my a package that I build in another Google Doc and just a bulleted list of all the things that I'm providing. So this is the services and the statement of work for each one of those services. So that becomes the services listed here. You run through this, you fill in all the gaps. So, for this particular client, for just a website and a listing solution, here's my price. They're going to pay me $15 a month thereafter for website hosting. And then the rest of this is all pretty much boilerplate, right? About termination, who owns what, if the contract needs to be amended. And then you come down here and you fill in your marketer and client name and signatures. It's very, very self-explanatory. So I'm not going to spend a ton of time here. Okay, so this is how I build this out. I'm literally just changing the client information. My information stays the same. I'm updating the payment, the payment initial payment amount, and then the ongoing payment amount for each client. Okay, so once that's done, download this as a PDF. Okay, so I love using the Google Docs suite, but if you're using the Google Apps suite, but if you're using Microsoft Word or Pages or whatever it is that you're whatever word processing tool you're using, file, download as a PDF. Okay, which I've already done. So now we'll come over here into Signaturely, and once you're into your free account, then you would tell Signaturely that you and others are going to sign this document. So we'll go through this whole thing. This is a real example. Okay, so now once you have all of your information and your client's information in the right places up above, go ahead and just come down here and let's do an upload file. Okay, grab your marketing agreement template that you just downloaded as a PDF. We'll upload it here. Give it just a second to finish uploading, and then we'll move into actually creating the boxes where you can fill in today's date and the signature. Okay, and this usually takes, I don't know, maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, and there you go, boom, it's done. So let's go ahead and click this button here to prepare document for signing. All right, so now this is a good chance just to take a look at this and just preview it, make sure that the formatting came over correctly. Just once it over one more time that you do have the right agreement. Okay, so this is for one of my newest clients here. All this looks good. Okay, my name, his name, we're ready to go. All right, so the only places in this agreement that they'll need to sign is right down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a place to sign. So I'm going to put my signature, and this is actually for the client. So I'm going to switch that so it's assigned to me. Okay, so you can toggle back and forth who is signing. Okay, so and just to make this look good, I'm going to make sure that the formatting there, I'm going to shrink this box just a little bit. That looks great. I'm going to give a date, so signature and date. Just make sure everything fits below and on the lines correctly. All right, and then I'm going to drag another signature box over here. Okay, and we'll drag this down. And I will change who it's assigned to, and then give a date. Okay, and then the signing order, when you go through and set all this up initially from the previous screens, you can, you will be the first to sign, and then they would sign after you. All right, so all fields are required. Okay, so required, make sure that that is all selected, that this field here is required. Okay, and that's it. All right, so now I've already put his email in there, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send this thing. So now he'll get a copy, I'll get a copy, I'll sign it, he'll sign it. This becomes a binding agreement. Okay, so now this was number 2 for me that I've used on this free account, and I'll get another one for free that I can use this month. Okay, so I do have a personal, I do have a business account that I use with Signaturely. I love the process. It's great, and I will share that video with you at a later date. But for as of right now, that's it. You're done. Okay, so this is just like I said. This is a great way to solve the client agreement solution at no cost. All right, you are limited to 3 per month, but it's a great place to start, and then you can upgrade through their different subscription tiers. So that's it for me. I hope you found value out of this. If you have questions, please put them in the comments below. If you have another suggestion for another service that is working great for you and you feel it could add value to this particular video, please do share. And I look forward to bringing you more content in the future. Take care.